Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachelsuniquecrafts. Today I am working on a 6-foot garland, and so I started on it and decided I needed to share it with y'all. So here we go. So maybe you can see this okay. So what I have done already, I took 2 Christmas garlands and kind of just weaved them together, and I took like 2 little branches and crisscrossed them so they would stay together. So then I have started putting some ficus leaves here. I don't want it to be a Christmas garland, but I need that Christmas, this evergreen base. So that's what we're using. So you get 3 branches on a ficus stem. So I'm just kind of overlapping them as I go. I'll turn that one up because I want it to have some width in it, or some height rather. So as I'm going, I'm kind of turning them up and turning them down just a little bit, not an extreme amount, but just a little bit. And I am securing these with zip ties. This one's kind of awkward to work with because of it being so long. And I'm fixing to have to turn my leaves going the other way also. So I'm turning that up a little bit, and we'll turn this one down. And I'm using black zip ties. They're just little I think they're either 6 or 8 inch. I can't tell y'all if, oh, I thought I had a measuring tape around here. Okay, so I'm going to flip these. Turn these this away. So they're not hanging down a lot, but this is going to kind of hide the evergreen Christmas swag and add the everyday greenery. So we're just kind of overlapping them here. Get that out of there. Turn this up. Come in here with this one and kind of turn it down a little bit. This is what it looks like. I did put one ranunculus in there already. So what we have here is, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. The easiest way is for me, to get it here and to put half of my flowers on one side and half on the other side. That just kind of means that way I can space them out evenly and keep kind of the same amount of flowers on each side. That's just my thinking. So if we're going to have one up here in the middle, we're going to have two kind of close together probably up here. Okay, I have got everything in place. All I'm gonna do now is get out my zip ties, and I'm gonna zip tie, and I'm gonna hot glue, and I'll actually have to touch each one of those, secure them to the swag base, and then I'll show y'all the finished product. But we have everything in place. Y'all seen how I laid it out. I didn't want everything on top of each other or lined up straight. I wanted it to kind of look like a natural flow of the flowers, because out in the wild, they're not just equally spaced, and they're not just, you know, straight up and down or sideways or whatever. So anyway, I wanted it to look very natural. So I'll let y'all see the finished product in just a moment. And the peonies came from Amazon, and I'll put the link to those peonies that I used. The pink ones and the beige ones that are just like this all came from Amazon. So I'll put those links in the description. Some of the ficus leaves and all the stems on the ficus stems came from a local store called Shirley's in Collins. So did the baby's breath and the other greenery I used. So I think they are on Facebook. It's Shirley's in Collins. So if y'all want to look them up, I don't know if you can order online or not, but anyway, that's where they are. So I'll see y'all in just a little bit. Okay, I have zip tied all the way down, all the flowers in place, and I would take a few of the, like the greenery and the flower and maybe some baby's breath, and I'd zip tie it. So it's got a zip tie probably about every 3-4 inches. But I wanted to show y'all one last thing that I just done. So I don't think there's any hot glue on this swag or garland. But what I did is I took some pipe cleaners and I made some little hang tags. So I've got one in the middle, I've got one on each side about halfway down, and then I've got 2 here on the end, so that when this is hung, you don't have to try to fight. If you've ever hung a garland, you know that it is so frustrating to try to get this wire here on the back of this garland to actually hook on a nail, unless you've got a big nail, and I don't like putting big nails in my walls. So this, let me straighten this out. I had tried to twist it, and that's what prompted me to come back and add these, was trying to hang this booger was very frustrating. So I was like, you know, this needs to be made easy. So I have 5 little ties that it can hang up. 2 on the end, 2 in the middle, and 1 in the center. So I just wanted to show y'all that little tip. How pretty and elegant and Victorian it looks. Very pretty. It could be used, it's going to be used as an everyday garland. But it'd be so pretty for a wedding, a reception, an anniversary, birthday. Isn't it pretty? Okay, thank y'all for watching. I'll let y'all see how it looks hanging up. All right, see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe if you would like to watch some more videos. Thank y'all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.